We're going to do the unboxing. This is the Monogram Split by Jones, and this is the toolbox. It's a special order by Damier. Alright, so let's take a look. It's beautiful. So let's take a look. So this is actually the Monogram Eclipse, and this is the special split version. As you see, you have two sort of little latch openings, and I love the stitching. Also, it's got this piping there. Alright, let's take that down. Let's open him up. Okay, so I don't know if you can see, but because this was made in Damier, it's LV made in Paris. And we've got the strap inside. It's just going to close. So just to show you, I didn't take the protective stuff off, but you've got the LV logo here. And the strap itself is split as well, so you've got the special lighter kind of monogram silver, and then you've got sort of monogram eclipse. Alright, let's put the strap on. Okay, and voila. It's absolutely gorgeous and beautiful. Okay, I'm going to show you some other pieces. So I'm going to show you another view. So this is together with the silver key pole, and just wanted to show you. So the strap on the box is kind of split as well, and you can see that sort of very nicely here. I've added the split back charm here. We got our little Vivian Dudon. This is the tag from the Monogram Silver, and this one is actually silver on both sides, and so are the handles. Of interest, because there was a blue collection at the same time, the flip side of this is in the blue or azure. So another important feature that I want to show you is the handles. And as you see, this is actually mobile, and this is a classic design back to the original Louis Vuitton trunks, which works well, and they've kept this for over a century. That there is a little bit of play, but then you hold the handle like this, and it will withstand a lot of wear and tear. So when you look at the big trunks, do look for this type of mechanism. So one other feature that I need to explain is the hinge mechanism, and this was explained to me in Damier. If you look, there's no actual quote-unquote hinge This is just canvas itself, and all it's gonna do is just, obviously the canvas is gonna bend a little bit that way. So if you turn it, over here, this is just leather interior, and it's just canvas, so there's really no mechanical hinge, and there you see a little pocket there as well. And this has been, you know, LV's design, again, for over 100 of years. Of course, over time, a little crease will develop because it has to, but that holds very well. And then you've got the sort of nails and riveting there. Alright, so we've got something else for you. Okay, voila. So let's see what's here. So here we go. So this is the Monogram Eclipse. It's a custom-made Boite chapeau. It's got the handle here. And as you see, it's got 4 sort of feet there. And then to open it, we have to undo the leather here. Okay, so it's still got the protection on. So let's see. Here we go. I think it was still sticking a little bit. Voila. That's a gorgeous beauty. So we decided to create basically a very bright, fun interior. And let's close it up. And just open it like that and close it. So just for right now, I'm still keeping the protective stuff on it, but this is the same lock that's used on the trunks and also the briefcases. Let me show you something else. So we've got one more piece for you. Okay, and this is the Damier President briefcase. It's pretty heavy. It's got the same lock. So it opens this way. And then also you have 2 of these smaller latches. And I kept, this was back from the era of Chapman, so I kept some of those wrapping papers from the Chapman era. Anyway, absolutely gorgeous interior. And you've got the same type of lock there. And notice that the tag is a little bit smaller. So just to show you, and it's got also a similar type of stitching there. and then also sort of like feet on the bottom. And in here, like this. Okay. So
Robert Addison.
All right, thank you very much for watching. I truly appreciated visiting Damier and seeing some of the artisans work firsthand in the same location where the Louis Vuitton company has been making trunks for over 100 years. I hope I was able to show you some of these techniques, and I also appreciate having seen the artisans visit the United States at some events, and hope to see them again. And I look forward to showing you more videos. Thank you.